Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Tech Steps, your go-to channel for tech tips and tricks. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable the on-screen keyboard in Windows 11. This method is super simple and quick, so let's get started. The on-screen keyboard, also known as the virtual keyboard, is a very handy tool when your physical keyboard isn't working, or when you're using a touch device. First, click the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then type On-Screen Keyboard in the search bar. When the result appears, click on the On-Screen Keyboard app. And there you have it. The on-screen keyboard is now open on your screen. Another way to enable the on-screen keyboard is through the Settings menu. Here's how. Press the Windows I shortcut keys to open the Settings app. Next, select Accessibility from the left-hand menu. Scroll down and find the Keyboard section. Then, toggle on the option for On-Screen Keyboard. With just one click, the on-screen keyboard is ready for use. You'll also notice that the shortcut for opening it is Windows Control-O. So, that's it. I've just shown you two simple ways to enable the on-screen keyboard in Windows 11. I hope this video helps you in your daily computer use. If you found it useful, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to support Easy Tech Steps. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.